There's something that you might not have realized with the other videos, going through the main bag, the check bag or the carry-on bag, and the small backpack, the personal item. When you think of what clothes you're going to bring and you start putting them into your travel cubes, remember I had 4 shirts that I brought in the travel cubes. Well, you're also going to be wearing a set of clothing. And typically I end up wearing multiple layers of clothing because on the airplane it might be cold in the mid-flight, whereas it may get warm when you're sitting waiting to take off. So remember what you're bringing. Because you're bringing such a small amount of clothing, the things on your body may constitute a considerable percentage. In the case of shirts, you are looking at 1/3 of the shirts that I brought, a t-shirt and a flannel shirt. These are 2 of my 6 tops. Something I probably didn't mention before was the shoes. I actually wore a pair of shoes, and these are hiking shoes. These are shoes that I could hike in the mountains with. I was comfortable with that. There's not ankle protection here. They are, low tops. But I also felt like I could go into a restaurant, or if I wanted to, even a church service, wearing these and not feel disrespectful. So a pair of socks, pants, underwear, t-shirt, and a flannel shirt, this is a considerable percentage of the clothing that I wore and had to consider, okay, what am I going to have with me on the plane? What am I comfortable wearing on an airline? What's just convenient to wear walking through an airport versus what would I like to be wearing if I went to a restaurant or if I was hiking in the mountains? So remember that you get almost an extra 1/3 clothing for free in a sense because you're actually going to be wearing it. This is Traveler Rob.